what's up everybody, Sami here. So today in this video we are going to compare the camera performance between the iPhone 14 Pro and the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, which was just released. So yesterday I did an unboxing, so check it out. However, unluckily it's raining outside, but luckily I managed to take some video comparisons like the rear camera and selfie camera before raining. So yeah, so in this video it's just going to be like the video comparison, and that's it. Stay tuned, alright? I will do another video that's dedicated for photo comparison. Hey, what's up everybody? Sami here. So today I'm comparing the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, which is the iPhone 14 Pro, both in 4K 30 fps, and the left is Xiaomi 13 Ultra. The left is Xiaomi 13 Ultra, and the right is iPhone 14 Pro. So I'm hand holding it. Right now it's in this vertical mode. So I'm just hand hold it like okay. I'm not gonna run. You can check the stability. Actually, from the screen I can see 13 Ultra is much more stable. Well, it seems a little bit jittery on the Xiaomi, on the iPhone 14 Pro. Very smooth on the 13 Ultra, a little bit jittery on the iPhone 14 Pro. Okay, and turn angles. Today the weather is really not good. I can see that iPhone gives a really good, this kind of true to life color. Well, with 13 Pro more or less gives this kind of like a finish. Okay, I have to watch the clips on computer, otherwise I cannot tell like which one is better. But from the screen, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra is better. I mean, ooh. It seems 13 Ultra much more stable, much more stable. Okay, I'm gonna run. It's about to rain, so I have to like do things really quickly. So I only come compared to 4K 30 fps, alright? There's if a device has 4K when I use it, but many people just use the 1080 60, so I will just use that. Okay, that's it. Alright, now it's 1080 60 fps. Okay, in this portrait mode, vertical mode. Later I will test the horizontal mode. Later I will test the landscape mode, you would say. Whatever. Zoom. Okay. Oh, use some boat. I'm running really fast. Okay. This is where I shoot the videos most. I'm running. Okay. That's the horizontal. Alright, now I'm testing the selfie camera. I don't know why it's like iPhone seems a little bit unclear. It's like have a blurred or something because of the screen, because of the lens not clear. Let me clear the lens for the iPhone 14 Pro. Now we are taking videos at 1080 60 fps for both Xiaomi 13 Ultra and iPhone 14 Pro. It's iPhone really gives you this kind of true to life color that don't have any beauty effect or something, but like for Xiaomi they have, and the screen looks much brighter. Actually, you see the sky. Woo! For this, I think iPhone did a better job. You see, the sky totally blown out on the Xiaomi 13 Pro, while the iPhones you can still see the cloud. But I have to check on computer. So yeah, totally blown out the Xiaomi. Yeah, actually yesterday I uploaded that Xiaomi 13 Ultra video. Many of you guys said the front camera of 13 Ultra really did a bad job. That's true. Really bad job, and only supports like 1080 60 fps. Okay, not even 4K. So I will run. But I gotta say, Xiaomi looks much smoother. No jittering at all. Really. Okay. That's the 1060, 1080, 60 fps. The left is Xiaomi 13 Pro 13 Ultra. The right is the iPhone 14 Pro. Alright. So now for the selfie camera. Is Xiaomi 1080 or iPhone 4K. Okay. Let's check out. Let's see if it's all good. Okay. Run a little bit. Now again, 4K for iPhone and 1080 for 13 Ultra. Okay. I will just run. Because if Xiaomi phones looks the weather is very good, actually it's not. It's like totally blown out. You still see the sky, the clouds, right? So there's an elevator here. So we'll just all right. Now 4K 30 on iPhone, 4K 60 on the 13 Ultra. Okay, it starts raining now, so let's just go inside. Okay, so I'm gonna hold it. Okay. It starts raining. Anyway. It's raining now. Shit, it's raining. So like 2. No. Too much. Okay, 2. So both like 2 times 3. So yeah. Okay, we'll test more later. Okay. All right, that is the video comparison. From my experience, from just the view from the phones, I guess in some scenarios, especially the rear camera, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra performs way better, looks way more stable, but not for the selfie camera. For selfie camera, it's like all blown out, right? But the 14 Pro still remains a very true to life color, and that's really good. But I haven't viewed this on computer, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure if, which one is better. So please comment below with like which one you like most. Just let me know, all right? Right now, that's the video. Bye bye.